Are you looking for the best home EV chargers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best home EV chargers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below. And also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Blink HQ150 EV charging station. US-based Blink has been making commercial charging stations since 2009 and recently started branching out into the home market with their first model, the HQ150. It's all listed in NEC 625 compliant wall-mounted level 2 charger for indoor or protected outdoor use. Their commercial background shows in the simplified controls and display. There is no app, internet, or Bluetooth connection, just a few status lights and a long 25 feet charging cable. Unlike some models, it really is 25 feet long, too, at 32 amps. It's not quite as fast as 40 amp chargers, but it also only needs single phase 240 V power with a NEMA 6-50 plug. Output is a good 768 kW. It comes in a small 11.14 x 7.56 x 3.11 inches enclosure that is NEMA Type 3R rated for light outdoor use. We wouldn't put this out on a post in the weather, but it's good for the exterior wall of a garage protected by the eaves, or in any indoor space that might be wet or dusty. Blink announced at CES 2022 that they'll be introducing 2 more home EV chargers this year, and we'll be taking a look at them when they hit the market. Blink gives you an additional charging credit or discount at their thousands of public charging stations when you register your HQ150. Up next in the 4th place is the Grizzl-E Level 2 EV charger, made in Canada. This Level 2 EV charger comes with a 3-year warranty and full customer support, making it a good option for those who are new to home EV charging. Attached to this charger is a NEMA 14-50 plug for plug-and-play installation, and a 24 feet premium cable. It offers adjustable amperage of 40A, 32A, 24A, and 16A to take advantage of the most efficient charging conditions. Charge rates vary from 28-30 miles per hour at 40A, 22-25 miles per hour at 32A, 15-18 miles per hour at 24A, and 10-12 miles per hour at 16A. It's IP67 rated for water resistance and is also fire resistant. Keep yourself protected with a collection of safety features including built-in GFCI, overcurrent, overvoltage, undervoltage, missing diode, ground fault, and over-temperature protections. The exterior of the charger features a heavy-duty, rigid design with an airtight metal enclosure. It can easily be detached from the wall mount if you ever have to transport it to a different location. If you prefer to keep things simple, this is the home EV charger for you. There's no wireless capability, so there isn't an app you need to configure and set up. In other words, if you simply want a charger you can plug into your EV to charge it without messing with any other settings, consider Grizzl-E. The 3rd product on our list is the FLO Home Charger, a striking mix of form and function. The FLO Home is a stylish, smart, and robust home charging system that comes in 2 versions, the connected FLO Home X5 and the non-connected G5, built with a 100% aluminum casing. The FLO Home is a level 2 charging station, which is up to 5 times faster than a level 1 outlet. This means you can charge most electric vehicles and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles in approximately 8 hours. The FLO Home offers a sleek and stylish look, well designed to function in extreme temperatures with a certified operating range of -4 degF to 122 degF. The system connects to your vehicle via a commercial-grade 25 feet cable, which ensures easy connection and charging even in the harshest of weather. The entire package is backed by a 5-year limited warranty for added peace of mind, and depending on where you live, FLO Home chargers are eligible for state and local rebate programs. If you are looking for a connected charger, the brains of the FLO Home X5 really set it apart. This unit boasts network functionality and integration, which means you can schedule your charge to limit power consumption during peak periods so you pay less for your energy. You can also track energy consumption from FLO's user portal. Additionally, the network connection allows for automatic software updates, as well as remote monitoring and real-time technical support. Second on our list is the JuiceBox Smart EV Charger. The JuiceBox series of home EV chargers is available in 3 variants: 32 amp, 40 amp, and 48 amp. The 32 and 40 amp versions can either be used as a plug-in charger or hardwired, while the JuiceBox 48 is only currently available as a hardwired option, built on the universal J1772 charging standard. All versions of the JuiceBox are Wi-Fi enabled. Level 2 charging stations that can charge all electric vehicles on the market, including Teslas with an adapter. With these chargers, you can use the JuiceNet mobile app and web portal to control scheduling, energy metering, notifications, and LED charging light indicators. You can even ask JuiceNet to remind you to plug in your vehicle if you've set up a daily charging routine. These chargers are compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, so you can use voice commands to monitor, manage, and control your charger. Each charger is housed in a weatherproof, dust-tight polycarbonate casing that is indoor and outdoor rated. They're equipped with a 25 feet cable with a standard SAE J1772 plug at the end, and the company provides a 3-year warranty for use under normal residential operating conditions. Finally, the top product on our list is the Lectron 240V 40 amp level 2 EV charger. Lectron makes so many EV chargers we can't really count them all, and they're not really big on snappy names. What they do have is a charger for every need and budget. From a 16 amp level 1 charger you could plug into an outlet in your kitchen, to much faster and more feature-rich EV chargers like this 40 amp level 2 charger, requiring a NEMA 14-50 outlet. It provides 40 amps and 9.6 kWs of charging at 240 volts, which should be up to 7 times faster than a level 1 charger on household current. The always-on LED display shows current, voltage, temperature, and charge time, and the housing is IP66 dust and water resistant. If you're looking for a severe service EV charger to leave outside in the weather, look at the Bosch unit next, but you'll also be looking at several times the expense. Having the actual charging circuitry located in a module in the cable may be inconvenient, but for an everyday charger to live in a garage, the Lectron is a great choice. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.